Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are going to teach you how to make these unique and lovely hairstyles. So are you excited? Let's get started. So here we have taken the thin partitions of the hair and then twist and twirl your hair in this manner and then get it attached further, make a bun out of it, and here's to the result. Isn't it pretty cool? Again taking the partitions, and now you need to just crisscross your hair further in this manner, and then what you need to do, make the pleat and further you need to just cover it in this way. Taking it to another side, just roll your hair and get the pleat attached, get the hair out in this manner so as to get a pretty cool and amazing look in this way. And now what you need to do, you just need to arrange your hair further in this manner and get it attached. Isn't it pretty cool? Now what you need to do, you need to just attach a beautiful bun out of it. Keep on proceeding further, and now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you need to just arrange your hair in this manner and then make a bow out of it. Further you need to just enroll it and attach it further in this manner. Now what you need to do, here you need to just secure your hair tightly. Now with the help of bobby pins you need to secure it in this manner. Now on a ponytail, what you need to do, you need to just arrange your hair further in this way, and now you need to just secure it tightly. Now here what you need to do, you need to just take it in a crisscross pattern in this manner, and now further you need to do it in this way so as to get a beautiful and lovely pattern. Interlock your hair in this manner so as to get a pretty cool and amazing result. Isn't it amazing? You'll be amazed to see this result. Keep on proceeding, and now let's see what are we going to do next. Here you need to take the hair out, get a little tweakings like this and get a messy look in this manner so as to get a pretty cool result. Isn't it looking damn amazing? Yes, it is gonna look super cool and amazing. Now let's see what are we gonna do here. You need to just attach it further in this manner and get it attached further. Proceeding in this way, what we need to do, here you need to arrange it and then get a beautiful bun in this shape. Pretty cool. Proceeding in this manner further, what we need to do, just arrange your hair and then get it attached further in this manner. Keep on proceeding in this way. What you need to do, just get the partitions and now twist and twirl your hair, get a beautiful bun in this manner, and now you need to just attach it further with the help of a rubber band. Now what we need to do here, you need to just secure your hair in this way and then get the hair out, get it attached in this manner further, get it in this form rolled in shape, and what you need to do just attach it in this manner, and here's to the result. Isn't it pretty cool and amazing? Now what you need to do here, you need to just secure your hair in this manner, get the partitions and then interlock your hair in this pattern, and here's to the end. Pretty amazing. Now let's see what are we gonna do. Here you need to make a pleat like this and then attach it further in this manner, and then you'll be amazed to see this pretty cool and amazing bun. Damn interesting, isn't it? Now you need to just roll it further and get it attached over it. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. Keep on making these. Thank you.